Hi, my name is Diane Burns and I'm a professor of geology at Eastern Illinois University. We have a solar eclipse coming our way on April 8, 2024, and I'm showing you how to make a gazebo pinhole camera. This is easily made out of many materials that you have around your house. Here is a frame that I have made out of scrap wood. It's only about 1 by 2 as far as the dimensions of the wood pieces are concerned, but they are just nailed together to make a frame, and then cardboard pieces were affixed on the other side with a staple gun, but left a small opening in between the two at about 6 inches across. That hole in the frame between the two pieces of cardboard is then filled in with very thick paper, not cardboard, but heavy paper, into which 2 holes have been punched in the middle piece that allow the sunlight to come through to see the eclipse. The other piece that we need for the gazebo pinhole camera is a gazebo. This is one that we have in the department that we purchased many years ago at a local box store. They are ubiquitous. You have seen them around many places. They're portable. The bottom part is a strut assembly that collapses, and on the inside there is a smaller assembly, which is shown here on the right, that I removed because that would have been going across the interior, and we want that interior free so that the sunlight can come through. Suggestion is to make sure that when you take the screws out, that you put them on the end of the assembly so that you have them readily available when you put this back together. This is the completed gazebo pinhole camera. You can see that the base is the gazebo. You can extend the legs further to get it taller to get a better image, and the top is the wood, paper, and cardboard assembly. As you can see, there's also a target on the ground that allows the image of the sun to be seen more readily. You can zoom in here, you can see that we have the 2 images of the sun on the target.